Today, we're going to talk about how the ancient Greeks, those brilliant minds who invented democracy and philosophy, apparently already suspected that the Earth was round back in 500 BC. I mean, can you believe it? They had nothing but their own observations, some basic geometry, and a few logical deductions, and they managed to figure out something that took centuries for some other people to accept. Impressive, right? I guess it's a good thing they weren't too busy dealing with wars, slavery, and oppression to have some spare time to think about the shape of the planet. Now, I know what you're thinking. But wait, wasn't the belief in a flat Earth a medieval misconception that persisted until the age of exploration? Sure, some people in some cultures thought the Earth was flat at some point, but who cares about them? We're talking about the Greeks here, the original gangsters of science and reason. They had it all figured out before. It was cool. So, how did they do it? Well, according to some ancient texts and drawings, they noticed that ships disappearing on the horizon didn't just vanish into thin air, but gradually sank from view, which suggested that the Earth's surface was curved. They also observed that the shadow of the Earth on the moon during a lunar eclipse was curved, which hinted at the spherical shape of the planet. And if that wasn't enough, they could use simple math to estimate the circumference of the Earth and compare it to the distances between different places. And voila, they had a pretty good idea of what they were dealing with. Of course, some skeptics might argue that the Greeks didn't actually believe in a round Earth as a fact, but rather as a philosophical or mythological concept, and that their ideas were not universally accepted or understood. But hey, let's not ruin a good story with some inconvenient nuances, shall we? So there you have it, folks. The ancient Greeks already suspected that the Earth was round back in 500 BCE, and they did it without Google, GPS, or a fancy space program. Who knows what other secrets of the universe they could have uncovered if they had access to modern technology and funding. But I guess we'll never know, because they're all dead. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends who still think the Earth is flat. See you next time, and keep questioning everything except this.